I will speak on air, water, soil, sunshine, and rain. Let us observe the life of a farmer working in the fields. After rising from sleep in the morning, the farmer reaches his field to work. Sun has just risen. He is getting the exposure of sunlight, taking the natural vitamin D whole day. Then he is breathing fresh air in open space, oxygen, free from air pollution and vehicular pollution. He is drinking fresh water, pure, which does not require treatment. Then he enters the field, pushing his feet into the soil, wet soil, sometimes dry sand and mud. Thus, there is interaction between his body's skin and the minerals present in the soil, which is like having a natural foot bath. He works hard whole day physically, and even his body sweats. He has his little lunch and has a siesta. In rain he drenches, he enjoys the rain. On sunset, he reaches home. After early dinner, he goes to sleep. He sleeps happily like a log as he is physically exhausted. Now, let us compare with our life. We have never seen sun for decades because we reach office as soon as sun started soaring in the sky. We leave office only after complete sunset. It is not a surprise that many of our fellow beings could not counter the threat of a COVID pandemic due to vitamin D deficiency. When it comes to air, outside is severe vehicular pollution where we feel we are walking through poisonous fumes. In the house or office, all windows are shut, water cooler or AC is working. We are not breathing fresh air, but only circulated impure air. Even water is not pure. It is highly chlorinated and sometimes unclean. Therefore, we are resorting to costly bottled water. There is never contact with the soil. Even when we are playing golf on the green field, we are with our shoes on. We are afraid of soiling ourselves. In the rain, we are indoors. If we go out in rain, it is only with an umbrella in hand. We are afraid of getting drenched in rain, due to which we may catch flu or fever. There is hardly any physical exercise or body sweating as we are sitting before a TV or a computer or a laptop most of the time. So we find it difficult to get proper sleep. Sleep we get only with a sleeping pill. How natural is the life of the farmer who is so close to the nature? And unnatural has become our life away from the nature. I have clearly proved that heaven and hell are not outside our planet but on it. There is still a chance to change our hell into heaven if we can review our lifestyle. Thank you.